Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Sarah. I'm a yoga instructor and personal trainer based in South East London. So as you can see, we're sitting down today. This video was inspired by my beautiful mummy who suffers from arthritis in the knees. So we're going to be doing all of our yoga poses and exercises on this chair. As always, nice and simple, anybody can do this. This is totally beginner friendly. So to start with, we're just going to sit on the end of our chair. I've got a little pillow behind me just to make it even more comfortable. So we're going to have our feet nice and flat on the ground. And just start with holding our arms out. Nice open palms. And you want to push those shoulders back. Going to take a nice deep inhale. Exhale, arms up. Make the thumbs touch. So my palms are still facing forward, but my thumbs are touching. Again, inhale back down. And exhale up. So just start going at your own pace. Inhaling down and exhaling up. We're going to do that 5 more times. And we've got 5, 4, 3, no rushing at all. You really just want to engage all of your upper body muscles and feel and be conscious of what is happening. 2, last one, we're going to keep our hands up to the ceiling and we're going to bring our palms together and then bring the palms in front of the chest. Again, we're going to inhale and exhale, hands staying together, back up to the ceiling and back down. So you're going to really start feeling these in the shoulder blades. So nice inhale as you come down and exhale as you go up. Good. So even for me, I done shoulders yesterday, so I am feeling this right at the top of my shoulders and at my back, in my back. Again, we're going to go for 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Bringing the hands all the way down, placing them on the tops of the knees. Now we're going to raise the toes up, so our feet are off the ground. We've just got the toes on the ground. This way we're engaging our calf muscles as well. So we're just going to stay up on our toes. We're going to take both hands out in front of us. Nice deep inhale. And exhale over to the side. Inhale back to the center and exhale over to the other side. Really take this one really steady, especially if you have any back issues or you've ever done any damage to your spine. You want to be nice and gentle. And as you can see, I'm just letting the arms naturally do what they want to do. You don't have to keep them uber straight. If they naturally bend as you turn, then let them do so. Good, keep that going. You want to start feeling this in your waist. This is also good for the arms as well. Good. We're going to do 2 more to each side. So there's your 1. 1 more to each side. And 2. Good. Now we're going to take our hands onto the sides of the chairs. I'm holding onto the side of my chair. Depending on what kind of chair you have, you may or may not be able to do that, but you can still push into the chair. And now we're going to be raising one knee up, keeping that toe pointed, and tapping the toe back to the ground. Okay. So again, just focusing on that breath, making sure you're staying nice and upright. Forgot to say as well, pull those abs in, and just raise those knees up as high as you can. We're really going to feel these in the tops of the thighs and your inner thighs as well. Going to go for our last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. We're going to flatten the feet back on the ground now, keeping the hands where they are. Again, you're going to inhale and exhale, legs open and close. Just open and close. So this reminds me of my favourite machine in the gym. It's a really good way to work the glutes. So just keep opening and close them. So I'm slightly lifting my feet up from the ground to take them out and placing them back. Apologies, you cannot see my feet, but I'm in a small space and there's only so much you can see. Okay, just keep that going. So again, you're going to feel this on the inner and outer thigh and also slightly on the glutes. We're going to go for 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, and back to the center. Relax those feet back down to the ground. Now lastly, again targeting the waist, we're going to be stretching over to the sides of the body, bringing it in front of us and around to the other side. Okay, and same to the other side, over, bring it in front, around, and to the other side. So just keep that going. You might feel like you need to hold that stretch slightly longer and really take your time to come around and make sure you're coming straight back up. Again, nice and gentle, just listen to your body and give it what it needs. We're going to be going for 4 more of these. So here's 1, 2, and as you notice, I'm not going all the way down to the knees, just being careful on that spine. Last 1, and back to the center. Now you can finish here, or my bonus exercise is a seated star jump, but obviously you won't be jumping. So anyone who's just done that little section, well done. You can rewind, start it all over again, or maybe just pick one particular exercise that you really enjoy and you can continue that for the week and, you know, keep adding on extras. So our seated star jump, you're going to be sitting down. Right now I'm on the tips of my toes, so they're slightly up. My arms are in. I'm going to inhale and I'm going to exhale everything open and out. Okay? So inhaling here, arms are in, up on the toes, and exhaling out. I also open up my hands as well, just to get a really good stretch. So inhale and exhale. Good. Keep that up. Come on. You've done the bonus exercise. Let's do another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Big stretch to finish off. Well done. Thank you for joining me as always. I'm always grateful for anybody and everybody who watches my videos and gives me a little like and they share and they subscribe. Thank you, I really appreciate it. And if you have any other videos that you'd like to request, simply send me a message, leave a comment down below and I'll get straight on it. I hope you all have an amazing day and I'll be back again soon. Bye.